Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. I was just waiting for US inflation data and it seems it just came out, and if you see that inflation rate has come by 8.5%. So previous time it was around 9.1%, this time it has come at 8.5%. And let us also see the core inflation rate, right? Core inflation rate is at around 5.9%, right? So what does that mean? Now, what does this mean to a retail trader? What does this mean to me, and what does that mean to you, right? Now, going forward, you may know that US Federal Reserve has been aggressively increasing the interest rate to control inflation. Now, going forward, they may not increase the interest rate. As you can see, inflation rate is slowly coming down. That's what they really want, right? That's why they have told they have stopped buying bonds in the open market, and so many steps have been taken all over the world. All central banks across the world has been increasing the interest rate. Now, this means that going forward, the Federal Reserve may not increase the interest rate aggressively. So this is a very positive news, and we can see market stabilizing. Already we are seeing market stabilizing, right? So we are not seeing big gap ups and gap downs, so on and so forth. Now, one more thing which you have to notice is that just before our markets opened, SGX Nifty, that is not SGX Nifty, US futures were really flat. Dow Jones was down, I think it was flat by 30. S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything was flat. Now Nasdaq alone is up by 2.36%, Dow future is up by 1.27%, and S&P 500 is up by 1.72%, and particularly if you note this, S&P 500 VIX is down by 4.61%. Now, today morning we did a live session and I told 17,500 call option can be sold and you are going to really make good money. You know why? Because India VIX was very, very high at around, if I am right, around maybe 1 o'clock, even before Europe market were open. SGX Nifty was up by more than 20. Now, as we neared the end of trading, today's trading session, it was up by just 1.5%. From 4%, it came to 1.5%, right? So, tomorrow, even if it gaps up, markets may see, we may see that India VIX going down, and we may see erosion of premiums. So today's premium was really sweet. We were also doing 17,500 short straddle, and it was in a good position, right? Now, if you see this SGX Nifty is showing it's up by 122 points. Let us see how things pan out. Hopefully, maybe it will open gap up tomorrow. How much gap up? This is showing around 17,680 levels. So let us see how things pan out. So this is what we expect, as expected. And today morning also I told that markets are not likely to go down. 17,500 people were writing aggressive put options. 17,500, 17,600, 17,000, all the way down, people were writing call options, right? Now, if you see the chart, this is the chart of, this is the chart of Nifty, and resistance is towards 16,700 levels. So if this Nifty or Bank Nifty is respecting this area, maybe we will see, we will see a market heading towards, market heading towards, so this is a Nifty chart, and if you see market heading towards 17,600 or 17,800 levels. So I strongly believe that 17,700 will act as a resistance. And when it comes to Nifty Bank, let us see what is happening to Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank is showing, actually it is today's performance was due to mainly because of Bank Nifty. Nifty was not performing, Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has already gone above the trend line. Maybe we should draw another trend line somewhere around 39,000. So this is how the charts are looking like, and let's hope for the best. Tomorrow we will have a good gap up, and maybe markets may retrace or may come down or hold to 17,500. So today's trading session, if you see, it was Bank Nifty, both Nifty and Bank Nifty was in the range of just 100 points, and Bank Nifty was around 250 points. That is unusual, right? So tomorrow, actually what people say is, or like what people predict is, Wednesdays are usually volatile. Now since either Wednesday should be volatile or Thursday should be volatile. Since Wednesday today was not highly volatile, maybe tomorrow is going to be highly volatile trading session. And of course we have positive news. Oil prices have gone down. It is gone it's gone down by, I think US crude has gone down, 1 barrel of crude has gone down by 80, gone down to 89. We have seen $120. When crude was $120, still the market was not giving up. It was very resilient. It was not ready to go down. When we have this kind of positive news, when crude oil is down and all things happening, we may go on the higher side. So that is what my prediction, and tomorrow's expiry might be between 17,800 or 17,700 levels to 17,500. This is what we expect. So let's see how things pan out, and this is that is evident in the open interest itself. So if you see in the open interest, today open interest, I can tell you today's premium was really good. And if you see the open interest, people were writing 17,500 call option and put option, and 17,400, 17,300, 17,200, 17,800. All the put option, all the call option, all the put options were written. And if you see, put call ratio is around 1.1 for Nifty, and Bank Nifty also same 1.1. That means market are going to maybe it is going to be in consolidation mode. I don't think FII data would have come now. Let us check if FII data has come, and sure this FII data would have been FIIs would have bought in good amount. I don't know really if they, FIIs have bought for around 1,061 crores, and DIIs have sold for around 768 crores in cash provision market. Now, you know what has to be done. Markets may gap up tomorrow, and we may see expiry between 17,700 or 17,800 to down the line 17,500. So that's what I expect, and let's see how things pan out. Things are looking good. Markets are stabilizing. Even our strategies are working. We are started making money. Now we have shifted. We have done something different. Most of our trades were previously done on weekly options. Now we have shifted to monthly options, and it's about perspective, how you look at the market, how you look at the profit and loss. And we see that monthly options are working fine, and it is good to make or better to make money in monthly options. So that's what we expect, right? So going forward, I'll also share some of the strategies, monthly strategies which we are doing, and let's see how things pan out. Nothing much. I hope you're not short in the market. Let's hope for the best, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.